I-touch ko yung ano guys, water. Kasi one of my signs is water. One of my soul map is water. Kaya pala, I'm always in the island. And I was born also, or I grew up in an island. Na yung lolo ko, meron silang ano, konting land. Pero naging ano na siya, naging tubig na. So, hindi na sa amin, sa government na. Touch natin ang tubig kasi water pala ako. Kailangan ko pala i-anchor yung energy natin sa water. Okay, let's touch it. Tagal ko nang hindi na-touch ang water dito guys. Ayan, touch natin na. Anchoring. Anchoring. Energies from the sky. Energies from the earth. Or beyond. Peace. Right? Ang ganda guys, no? Ang ganda.